Hi, I'm Angela, an entrepreneur, a beauty queen, model, and mother. And my passion is to empower you to shine. So let's get the magic started. Come check this, ladies, the new limited edition purse spray by Chanel Beauty this holiday season. Ta-da! It was so difficult to get this. I had to wait for it for like almost a month since it first launched. And so excited once I found it online, and I totally just carted it and bought it straight away. And yes, let's have a look. It's so pretty and I can't wait to unbox this with you guys. So this is an online purchase here in Saudi Arabia. I did choose for the sustainable packaging, which comes with this, little dust bag, and I love these dust bags because I can keep all my Chanel goodies, my bags, my SLGs in them. And let's have a look. Ta-da! So it's the Chanel number 5, and this is a limited edition eau de parfum purse spray. It does come in eau de toilette as well, but I wanted the eau de parfum because, to me it's value for money and it lasts longer. And this is what it looks like. And it's actually a little bit smaller than I anticipated, but nonetheless, it's a really, really cute purse spray, and can't wait to show you 5 ways to dress it up, right? Okay, let's see. All right, ladies, so here it comes. Okay, woo, do, 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 do. And it does come with 2 refillables here. Each bottle is 7 mils, and there are 3 bottles because this has 1 in it and 2 in the other 2 here. So that makes it 7, 14, 21 mils, right, in total. Okay, let's see. Yes, Coco, Chanel, and Chanel number 5 are my favorite iconic perfumes from Chanel. And I'm so tempted to get the eau de toilette because of the white bottle packaging, but black is my favorite color, so for sure, eau de parfum and black, it's the perfect combination. Let me just be careful with this because I really don't want to break it. Ta-da! How pretty is that, ladies and guys? Oh my gosh, so stunning. And yeah, and so what you do is you take it out like that. It's a magnetic, here's a magnetic, like to stick the little twisty bottle onto the casing, and you remove it like such. Okay, and remove the, I think it's just twist, sorry, just twist it. Okay, just twist it, and pop, it's the perfume spray. Let's try it out. Beautiful, iconic purse spray, right? And if you're looking for just perfume, ladies, guys, for your loved ones or for yourself, this is actually not value for money, because for 21 mils, it costs more than the 50 mils. Okay, look at the size difference. Okay, and as close to the 100 mils. Okay, so yeah, but if you're looking at it from a perspective of a fashionable limited edition piece by Chanel and an iconic keepsake piece, then yes, definitely worth it. Okay, all right, so I'm gonna compare it. This is what the lipstick, the Chanel lipstick, looks like. Okay, it's almost the same size, just for reference. All right? And I'm going to turn this pretty purse spray into a necklace. So that is the first way to use, for me, the 5 ways that I'm going to show you on how to wear it. This is the first way. And what I did was last year's little charms, I have hooked it onto a pearl necklace. I love Chanel and pearls, and I will hook it onto this, right? This is a ring, a D ring. You can just hook it on here, or you can actually just loop it into the necklace, but I'm gonna do this because I think it will look a little bit more stylish. All right, like as such. And this is actually inspired by the Christian Louboutin bullet lipstick that I bought last year. It's a necklace and charm. Okay, so this is actually inspired by that. All right, and let me just quickly show you the difference. All right, so this one has obviously it's a bit longer with some charms, and yeah, so you can actually look out for these as well. They're really pretty. But this is a perfume spray, so it's an accessory now. I'm gonna wear it as an accessory come perfume, and I think it will look very pretty, right? Look. So you can, go out, wear it, and it's a perfume come beauty accessory as well. So that's one cool idea. So the other thing was you could just hoop it directly onto this part if you want without the rings. So that's an alternative for you. And what am I going to do next with it? I'm going to turn it into a little wristlet, because they said like you could wear it as a wristlet like that, just to bring it out, and everything. But I thought it would be even cooler if I actually put a Chanel card holder with it. And this one has the Samoga insert. And all you do is that, these little rings in the side. Okay, these little rings at the side. And I'm just gonna hook the D ring. So that's why I got the rings, right? It's just easier to, manipulate and to hook on stuff. And okay, let's do this. And you can have a look and see how pretty it is. Okay, guys and girls, see? You can have your little purse spray come wristlet, right? With your card holder, and you can just carry it around as such. Kind of cool. Ding, 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 ding. Okay. And what's the other way I could use this? Is you could use it also as a really cool bag charm. So this is a little wallet on chain that I turn a long wallet into a walk. Same with the Samoga insert inside. And I will hook it onto this ring here. This one's quite cool. It's probably one of my favorites as well. I do love my walks. And wrong side. Okay, voila, there you go. Your little charm and your walk, right? Pretty cool stuff. And if you want, you just pop, spray, and put it back in. Okay. And with the current craze of bag charms, this is so versatile, and you could use it for to complement many of your Chanel bags, which is great. And let's show you one more way you can use it as a bag charm. And I am see this? It's my Duma backpack, vintage. This was my first ever Chanel backpack that I bought like when I was 21. I'm 50 now, so 29 years ago. And okay, let me see. So I am going to hook it right here on this part, and you see how pretty it is, and voila, such a cool charm to carry. There's my other strap. Ta-da! So you know how bag charms are really expensive nowadays, designer bag charms, and by buying these beauty accessories, you can convert them. They're multi-purpose and you can convert them into charms, but best of all, they're sustainable because they're refills, right? And you don't have to throw the packaging away. And I am contemplating, because it's a limited edition, should I actually purchase the refills that are currently available? There's a set of refills, just refills only, but I'm still undecided because, I mean, honestly, if the refills are no longer available, I could still use it as a charm or whatever, right? And okay, so the next tip is to actually, this is a vintage, also Chanel bag, Chanel belt. Let's see, it's vintage and with a gold, chain. And what I will do is turn it into a belt charm, right? As such. Okay, maybe I'm not wearing the prettiest outfit. It's a cool day today, and I'm just wearing my tracky decks, and you can turn it into like a belt charm as such. Pretty cool, right? Yeah. So those are the ways you could spice up your purse spray, or you could just simply pop it in your bag and use it just as a perfume, right? And yeah, I'm loving it, and I'm contemplating whether to get the white one, the eau de toilette, but let's see, because it's quite pricey for perfume, I reckon, but so worth the money, in my opinion. So if you're excited, just like me, to get this, go get your hands now because it snaps up really quickly. And yeah, so this is my holiday tip for you guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And like and subscribe to my channel because there are more tips and ideas on beauty, fashion, and my passion. So sending lots of love to you this holiday season. Ta-ta! Cheers, everyone!